So good day. Our discussion for this day will be text. Okay. So there are two types of text. So single line text and the multi-line text. Okay. So I have opened the activity number 4. So I have some layers here. Okay. So probably I will add another one. Okay. So let's say text, and it should be continuous, and probably color. Okay, you can choose your own color. Say this one, and I'll just close this one and make sure that layer text or the text layer is invoked in the layers panel. Okay, if you're going to add text, let's say single line text. Okay, make sure you always pay attention to the command line when using a single line text. Like for example, I select single line text. Okay, start point of text, justify our style. Let's say the starting point. Let's say at this point. I'll just click anywhere in the drawing area. Okay, and then I'm ortho is on, so probably I'll just turn that off. Okay, so now specify the height. So you'll notice the height has a value of 2.5. Okay, 2.5 units. So let's say I would try 3. Okay, so that will be the height of my text. Okay, for the single line text, I'll just press enter, then specify rotation angle. Okay, so I'll just try 0 first, then enter. Then I would type, let's say my name. Then if you're done typing your name, okay, you just need to click anywhere in the drawing area. Okay, so this will be the text height. Okay, it's so big because the text height that I have provided is 3. Okay, so you'll notice if I click outside, okay, it will be continued to text, and all those parameters that you have provided, like for example the text height of 3, angle of rotation of 0, will be still the same, so you can still type. Okay, then I'll just click anywhere. So if you're done typing all the needed text, okay, you can press escape key or enter key. Okay, so these are too large. Okay, which means that this will not be available, or this will not be applicable within this drawing, so I just delete them. Okay, or I just simply erase them. Now I will just specify again I will use the single line text, specify start point. Okay, I'll just provide a text height of, let's say, 0.5. Okay, then enter. And then angle of rotation 0. Then say this will be the front view. Okay, and then I'll just click anywhere. Then let's say this will be the right view. Okay, I'll just press escape key and then select this one, and I'll just move it somewhere here so that it will be aligned to that front view. Then I'll just copy this one, specify, and then enter. Okay, specify base point. So I'll make sure ortho is on so that it will be aligned to the front view. Okay, and then I'll just press escape key or enter key. Then I'll just edit this one so that the name of this figure will be the right view. Okay, so I'll just double click, then I'll just select front, erase, and then I'll just type in right view. Okay, or right. Then I'll just click outside that text box. Then I'll just press the enter or escape key. Okay, so that is the single line. So let us try it again. Single line, specify anywhere. Okay, and then I'll just press the F8 key so that ortho is off. So text height, so I'll just place the same text height, 0.5. Now the angle of rotation, probably I'll just try 90 for the 90-degree. Okay, and then I'll just type in, like, for example, rotated. Okay, word rotated. Then I'll just click outside. Okay, and then I'll just cancel this one. Okay, so it is rotated at 90-degree angle. Okay, so may want to explore single line by simply specifying the first point or starting point, and then you specify the height. You may use different values for that, let's say 1. And then rotation, okay, if you want it horizontally, you can place a 0 angle. If you want it to be rotated at 90 degrees, you can place 90 degrees or 180 degrees or 45 degrees. Let's say 45 degrees. Okay, this angle 45 degree. Then I'll just click outside. Okay, so this has a text height of 1. Okay, and the angle of rotation is 45 degree. Then I'll just press the escape key. Okay, so that is the single line text. So I'll just erase this one. Okay, so let us add multi-line text. So let's try multi-line text. Okay, so we will be adding some notes probably for this particular drawing. So I'll just select multi-line text. So the procedure will be as follows. Okay, multi-line text, and then you need to draw a text box. Okay, let's say any measurement for text box. So let's say this one. Okay, and then the text editor dialog box. Okay, the ribbon will appear. Okay, so I'll just select. You can change the text height here. You can change the text font style. Okay, you can make it bold, underlined. Okay, and uh, italic mode. Okay, so I'll just change the text height to, let's say, 0.5. Enter. Okay, so now the text height is provided is 0.5. Then the default is Arial, so you can choose any of these. Okay, so I'll just try any other than Arial. Let's say Algerian. Just try Algerian. Okay, then I'll make it underlined. So I selected this one. Okay, and then I'll just type in notes. Okay, let's specify otherwise. Okay, and then I'll press enter. Then number 1, then space bar. Automatically it will indent, and then I'll just type in all units are what you call this, in inches. So this should be not underlined. Okay, so I'll just select it all. Select this. All units are in inches, so I'll just remove the underlined here. Okay, and then I'll just continue. I'll press enter. Okay, so let's say break all, what do you call these, sharp edges. Okay, if you're done with the specification of the notes, so may want to click outside the text box. Okay, and you have this multi-line text. Okay, so you can edit this one by simply typing double D E. Okay, so that is text edit. Okay, command, then select this text box, and then you can select them all. Then you can change the font style if you want. Okay, or you can select these, you can make them bold or in italic mode. Okay, or you can change the height by selecting them all and then specify height, let's say 1, enter. Okay, then let's remove bold and then italics. Okay, so you can also expand this text box. Okay, if you're done with the uh, text or editing the text, you can click the close text editor box, dialog box here. Okay, and then press escape key. Okay, so this is just an example. So if you want to make that more formal, I'll just erase this one, then I'll repeat the process. Let's say multi-line text, then the text box itself, and then I'll just type in or change this font height, and then I just choose Arial. Okay, then I make sure that this is not underlined. Okay, so again, notes, and then unless specified, then I press enter, then I'll move to the numberings, spacebar. Automatically it will indent. Okay, then all units are in inches. Okay, that is the note 1. Let's have another one. So break all, did I use the previous, break all sharp edges. Okay, if you're done, you can close the text editor, or if you want to edit, I would select this one. I just make it underline. Okay, and then if I'm done, I just close the text editor. Also, you can add symbols. Okay, for degrees, my plus or minus sign, diameter, and so on. And you can make the justification if you want. So if you wanted it to be justified with center, you can select this one. Okay, or justified, or simply align to the text. Okay, so you can also provide columns and so on. Okay, or you can use this justification. These are just similar to this one. Okay, then I'll just close this one. So that's the text and single line text and multi-line text.